Good morning everyone! Welcome to Lavender Homes. It is located in Green Heights, Newtown Subdivision, Barangay Mayamot, Antipolo City. Ayan po siya. Ready for occupancy unit. Tahimik po ang surroundings nito. Wide roads. Ayan po. With gate na rin po ang turnover. Pasukin po natin ang isang unit na ready for occupancy for sale. Ayan. When you enter the door, on your right side is the living area, followed by kitchen. And on your left side naman po is the stairs. And then at the back is the common toilet and bath in ground floor. Ayan po. And then meron din po itong mini storage. Ito po siya. Below the stairs. Under the stairs rather. And then, ayan po, the service area serves as your laundry area. Ayan po. Space at the back. Open po natin ang door. Ayan, meron din sink. And then, dito naman po sa right side is the kitchen. And at the side of the kitchen, meron pong bedroom, pwede po siyang maid's room. Ayan po. Maid's room or guest room, pwede po yan. Ayan po. That's the living area going to the door. This one naman po is the stairs going to second floor. Tara, akyat po tayo. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Yan. On the landing area, in the second floor, may open space pa. And then, on your right side is the master's bedroom. And on your left side is the 2 bedrooms and the common toilet and bath. Ayan, may space po dyan on the landing area. So, pasukin po natin ang master's bedroom. Ayan po siya. Spacious naman. Then with built-in cabinet po. Up to the ceiling. Ayan. Ready for occupancy po ito guys. Ito mismo ang available. So meron po siya ditong toilet and bath for master's bedroom only. Ayan. Then sa labas po ng master's bedroom, meron ditong on the right side, common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms. Ayan po, this one is the bedroom 1. With built-in cabinet na rin po yan. Ayan, maganda po ang finish nito. Ayan, built-in cabinet up to the ceiling. And the another bedroom, the bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, mas malaki po siya compare kay bedroom 1. Ayan, with built-in cabinet na rin po attached in the wall. Ayan po. So ito guys, murang-mura lang po. 6,548,000. Lot area is 73.29. Floor area is 130 square meters. Ayan po. 10% down payment we allowed. The 90% balance loanable through bank. Thank you.